So this guy's pulling more of those palm kernels. This is a big tug, but it's not the biggest one I've seen out here. There's another one that's of similar design it's even taller in the water. It's a big dude. Got a mountain of those palm kernels. I think that'd be the job for me, driving one of those pilot boats. Doesn't even sound like it's running over idle right now. I think they've just got it in forward idle. It still has enough oomph to pull this big load. That must have 2 diesels in it, I'm thinking. Turning the screws, because it looks like they got two stacks, smokestacks rather. See, and there's this little buddy over here to counter steer when they go around the bends. Is really yanking on him, and that main boat isn't even trying hard. Ass first. Some guys go their whole lives in that mode. Anyway, sounds like he's going to try and rev up his engines here.